Okay, well, hello to everyone or everybody. One of the things I like to do is I like to show you artwork. In fact, I love to show you artwork because Valentine's Day is when? February the 14th. Well, I love to do artwork. So I'm going to show you some adult coloring I did. Um, Subscribe and like. Yeah. Oh, that's adult coloring. I love that one right there, don't y'all? Red bird up in the tree. And all these are all adult coloring. And I've done them all with using color pencils. Oh, isn't it beautiful? Which is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, which is your favorite? And there's a painting I just did. I just did that painting just last night. Or should be sure to read in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye.